Turkey factor in the India-Afghanistan diplomacy. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to you today's big news. As the United States of America is pulling out of Afghanistan after a decade-long war against terrorism, local players have started pulling strings to be the leaders of this new geopolitical upheaval. Afghanistan is an important factor for Indian aspirations, but the rising ambitions of Turkey, Pakistan, Qatar and China can implicate India. Turkey is negotiating with the US to take charge of the Kabul airport, which is a strategic location for an international presence in Afghanistan, which can fall under the Taliban's hands. Turkey for a long time has been providing security to Kabul airport, but after the US is out of the picture, this handling is going to prove very costly and difficult. Afghanistan and Turkey recently celebrated 100 years of diplomatic relations, which proves that Turkey is not a new player in Afghanistan's diplomacy. In this entire century, Turkey and Afghanistan have engaged productively over different subject areas. How Turkey and Afghanistan engage with each other? Let's find out. When the US was fighting against the Taliban in 2001, Turkey distanced itself from any combat role, did not join the Western powers. Turkey has been a strategic partner to Afghanistan by providing and training the Afghan military and police forces with modernized technologies and weapons. Apart from training, Turkey has also done a lot of humanitarian and developmental work in Afghanistan. The Heart of Asia conference hosted by Turkey has won the hearts of Afghans. The Istanbul process helped Afghanistan to reconcile with South Asia and projected Turkey as the mediator. The mass of developmental and humanitarian work by Turkey in Afghanistan has earned its goodwill, which is helping the US pull out of Afghanistan smoothly. There are no free lunches in this world, and Turkey will demand its fair share in the flesh in return. Apart from this, the major bone of contention with Turkey present in the Afghanistan diplomacy is Turkey's pro-Pakistan ideology. Turkey's good relations with Pakistan will prove a hindrance to backyard diplomacy and Indian aspirations in Afghanistan. Now, why is India and Turkey at odds with each other? Well, obviously, it's because of Pakistan. After World War II, when third world countries were emerging, India signed a non-aligned movement or NAM with 4 other nations. Joining the NAM signified Indian resistance towards any bloc, the US or the USSR. Turkey, on the other hand, joined the Western powers by signing North Atlantic Treaty Organization or NATO. These divergent stands made diplomatic relations between Turkey and India impossible. India and Pakistan have been at odds since 1947. The increase in defense partnership between Turkey and Pakistan proved to be another dent in the Turkish and Indian diplomatic relationships. Central Treaty Organization (CENTO) was set up in 1955 by the British, wrapped up in 1979. Turkey and Pakistan have been close since CENTO. Turkey and Pakistan are also the part of Organization of Islamic Cooperation or OIC, which aims at protecting Islamic holy sites, helping the Palestinians ending Islamophobia, racial discrimination and improving the economy through cooperation. Now, Mahatma Gandhi may have started the Khilafat movement, but Pakistan stood in solidarity with Turkey when it was emerging as a nation state from the ruins of the great Ottoman Empire. Indian affirmation to secular values, which Turkey also shared, was peanuts against the support provided by Pakistan. There was a brief time during the rule of Rajiv Gandhi and Atal Bihari Vajpayee when India and Turkey grew closer. Turkey, under the leadership of Erdogan, aims to be the leader of the Islamic world, and its growing Islamist internationalism is duly supported by Pakistan. Turkey is ready to take few offenses with India if Pakistan continues its support so that Erdogan can revive the dream of the Ottoman Empire.